Hey, in today's episode we'll be doing a quick and easy pickling recipe for red onions. All you're going to need for this recipe is peppercorns, coriander seeds, salt, 1 bay leaf, and this is optional, but you can also add Morita Chile or even jalapeno. But one secret ingredient that we love is hibiscus flower. There's no specific amount of each spice, as you can add as much as you want or even do completely different spices. This is just a simple recipe that you guys can use or switch around to your liking, more or less like a foundation recipe. We use 1 onion, and if you want to know exactly what we use, the recipe will be down below in the description. The first thing you want to do is cut the ends of the onion, cut it in half, and take off the skin. We recommend taking out the hearts of the onion, which is the core, as we feel it makes them a bit bitter, and also you'll get better and more even slices. Don't throw away the hearts, as you can save them and use them for any other cooking of your choice. Once you cut your onions, spread them out so they're not all bunched up together. Now it's time for pickling solution. This is really simple. All you need is equal parts water and vinegar, and just bring it up to a boil. For this recipe, we used 1 cup of water and 1 cup of red wine vinegar. If you don't have red wine vinegar, you can use distilled white vinegar, but we highly recommend red wine vinegar as it'll give your onions a beautiful color. While your pickling solution is coming up to a boil, this is when you're going to add your spices and onions into a mason jar. Once your solution is up to a boil, turn it off and pour into your mason jar. At this point, you're going to want to place parchment paper or a napkin on top of the onion so they don't come out of the liquid. Leave the onions out till they cool down to room temperature. Once they are cooled, remove paper, seal, and you can store them in your refrigerator. That was our pickled red onion recipe. Hope you guys enjoyed. What did you guys think of this recipe? Would you done anything different? Let us know.